means that after we leave, we're gonna be smarter.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
feel better. And like, there's no calories after today either, you know, because you're burning off a lot. Now, there's something called a sun salutation. Does anybody know what a sun salutation is? Okay. So it's basically, it's a flow of movements. I would encourage everybody to go and look it up online. It's a series of movements where whenever you're exhaling, you're letting out, but whenever you're reaching open, you're inhaling, and then when you're reaching down, you're exhaling. Kind of think of like a balloon, go up and down, open and close. I'm going to show you a sun salutation. If you want to follow, please do. But it's something that you should really take your time learning and practicing, and it's really good for brain development. And there's a website called yogajournal.com. Has anybody ever looked on that website?
Yeah.
Great, and it has an entire thing. So you can reach up high, and then relax, exhale, touch your toes, feel free to bend your knees. Now inhale, flat back. Exhale, you're going down to that pushing the floor plank pose. Now what you're going to do is a choice of either doing a downward push-up or knees, chest, chin, or you can see downward push-up. And then we're going to float your shoulders. Make sure that your hands can float, okay? And then from where your arms are there, you're going to push up to cobra. This is great to do. Any person that has back issues, it helps bring liquid into the spine. And then we're going to pull our feet under and go to downward dog. Then slowly walk your hands to your feet. You get your hands on your back. And then one vertebrae at a time, come up. Slowly, with your head relaxing. Is it like super hot in here? Like, woo!
Wasn't when we started.
I know. Okay, so that's sun phase. They recommend doing that like 8 to 12 times. It matters on who you're working with, but learning about that and doing that movement is going to be really nice flow for knowing where you are in your space and also blood and energy flow. Another thing that we do is something called, it's like a stomping but side to side, where we tell the kids or the individuals to step together side, step together side, step together side, step together side. And this just shows them where they are in their space. And then you can, with older people, older individuals, you ask them to go forward, it's like a saxophone, and then backwards. Yes, I know, it's hard. Forward, and then backwards. And then we'll sing a song like, in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. And then we'll stick our tongue out. This is actually a pose.